MI-7915 Monitor and Keyboard Wall Mount Installation. Step 1. Connect the vertical board to the monitor mount's VISA plate using the provided screws, spacers, and Allen wrench. Step 2. Connect the keyboard tray supports to the vertical board. Step 3. Attach the tray to the side supporters. Step 4. Add the wrist and mouse pad. Step 5. Make the appropriate adjustments. Adjust the keyboard tray height by turning the knob located on the back of the vertical board. Adjust the tilt angle of the keyboard tray by turning the side knob.